everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very quick and delicious recipe for a Frappuccino, and it only contains 3 ingredients, and it also has no sugar. First, add 3 cups of hot coffee to a bowl. Next, add 3 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener. So I'm using Swerve granular, but you can also use monk fruit, which is also compliant with a plant paradox lifestyle. So stir it around until it dissolves. So now you're just going to add 1 cup of your milk. And I'm using A2 casein milk from grass-fed cows, but if you're vegan, you can also use coconut milk or almond milk or any kind of compliant milk. We're just going to stir that around. So once that's all mixed together, you're going to pour it into an airtight container. So then you're going to cover it, and that's it. You can refrigerate it until it gets really cold for about 2 or 3 hours, and you can put some ice in it, or you can just enjoy it like that. And it has no sugar or lectins, and it's very quick to make. Enjoy.